Napasol is a supplier of pasteurization equipment for nuts, seeds, and spices. The Statisol equipment is particularly well suited for pasteurizing tree nuts, and our plants around the world process walnuts, almonds, macadamia, pistachios, cashews, hazelnuts, pine nuts, Brazil nuts, and seeds and grains. The Napasol process is a thermal process that applies dry saturated steam. Dry saturated steam has allowed us to validate our plants for above 5 log reduction in pathogens such as Salmonella. Dry saturated steam does not wet the product, and no drying step is necessary after pasteurization. The Napasol technology is a natural microbial reduction process. The product is moved through the line in bins protecting the nuts from damage. No breakage, no waste, and no downtime for cleaning. This 3D drawing shows the layout of a 3-bin Statisol line. In the Statisol line, the product is loaded in bulk bins. Each bin holds around 1,800 pounds of product depending on the bulk density. Full bins are loaded in the preheating section. Hot air is pushed through the product in the bins until the preheat temperature is reached. The bins are then automatically transferred into the pasteurizer section. In the pasteurizer, a deep vacuum is pulled to remove all air from the load. High pressure steam is then injected in the autoclave and spreads evenly throughout the load. As steam fills the chamber, pressure rises until pasteurization temperature is reached. Once the pasteurization is completed, the bins automatically move to the cooling section where cool air is pushed through the product. No drying is needed. This is a photo of a 2-bin Statisol line. It is one of our smaller lines offering a throughput of approximately 2 tons per hour. From left to right, the preheater, the pasteurizer, and the cooler. This 3D drawing of a 1-bin line shows a roast finish module placed between the pasteurizer and the cooling line. Subsequent to the validated pasteurization process, roasting parameters can be applied to produce desired nuanced colors, flavors, and textures. Statisol lines come in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6-bin sizes. These lines have a small footprint and require little height. The photo on the left shows a section of a 6-bin line. Taking a ride through a 6-bin line, you can see how the product is loaded, in this case through a bin hopper. There are various automated ways to load the bins. Our editor has animated the video with some bacteria to illustrate the fact that they survive very well on the product. Once the 6 bins are fully loaded, they are automatically moved into the preheater where the nuts and the bacteria are heated. The bacteria are not killed by the preheating. Once the preheat temperature is reached, the 6 bins automatically move into the pasteurizer. It takes the combination of vacuum and steam to kill the bacteria. Once the pasteurization is completed, the bins move automatically into the clean room side of the line onto the cooling platform, where cool air is pushed through the product. The benefits of Statisol pasteurizers for tree nuts are that saturated steam provides the highest microbial reduction performance of all thermal treatments. With dry saturated steam, there is no moisture pickup, no drying step is necessary. The product is protected from mechanical damage, there is no waste, and the line is easy to clean. And the batch process ensures full traceability of each load. If you're interested in our technology and have any questions, please reach out to us.